Here I am going to explain you one type of operating system, that is batch operating system. What is batch? The name it is indicates batch. What is batch? Before going to that, here the operating system doesn't communicate direct with the computer system. It will contact or direct contact communicate with the first with the operator. There is a one operator in the system. The operator, what will does the operator? The operator will take the all the jobs of a user, and by considering the properties of the jobs which has similar properties, and the operator will make a batch which has similar properties. That means here five users are there, and the five users have five jobs. In these five jobs, which jobs has the same requirement, and those by taking those jobs, the operator will make a batch, and the batch will execute first in the CPU. That means here the three jobs, here first take job 1, job 3, job 5. In job 1, job 3, job 5, we want print a copy. So here we want a scanner. So if the operator will make a batch by combining job 1, job 3, job 5 as a batch and push into the CPU. Then the CPU will execute those jobs, and it will produce the results because it will assign to the peripheral devices. Operating system is there, the CPU will maintain execute it, the operating system is set to go into the scanner, and the scanner will do the that work. So here the jobs has the same requirement. You have to know one thing: batch operating system doesn't communicate directly with the computer system. It will directly communicate with the first operator, then operator, after the operator is divided into batches, then it will communicate with the operating system, then it's get into the CPU and executed. So this is batch operating system, guys. The advantages of batch operating system is it's very less expensive, and here the amount of time is also reduced because of they are created a batch in the systems. That's why here the amount of the time is used to execute those jobs is very less. So that amount of time is used also less. So that is also a one advantage. The one disadvantage is there in the batch operating system, that is here the more amount of time is taken to debug the system. డీబగ్ చేయడానికి, ఎర్రర్స్ని ఏదైనా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చూస్తే చేయడానికి, ఎర్రర్స్ని క్లియర్ చేయడానికి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది అనమాట. దానికి ఇది ఒక డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ అయితే దీంట్లో ఉంది. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ అట్ ఏ టైం మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు, అన్నిటిని ప్రాసెస్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇది బ్యాచ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ గైస్. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ రాసి ఆ మ్యాట్ అయితే రాయండి, మీకు ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ అయితే పడతాయి గైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.